Okay, let's continue. Using now the formula PB is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n over I. Substitute now the value of R, which is 12,000, the value of I, which is 0.045, the value of n, which is 12. The final answer is 109,422 pesos and 97 centavos. Number 10. A business owner invests 80,000 pesos every quarter for 8 years, discounted at 7% compounded quarterly. Determine the present value. So given the payment R is 80,000 pesos every quarter, the number of years is 8. And then the interest rate nominal, 7% quarterly. And the periodic rate I is 0.07 divided by 4. That's equal to 0.0175. The number of periods N is 8 times 4, which is 32. We are then asked to determine the PB today, and which is the FMB, the fair market value. Our solution: use the formula PB is equal to R times 1 minus, open parenthesis, 1 plus I, close parenthesis, negative n, over I. Substitute the value of R, which is 80,000, the value of computed I, which is 0.0175, the value of the computed N, which is 32. The final answer is 1,947,508 pesos and 72 centavos. Number 11. An insurance company promises 150,000 annually for 20 years. If the market rate is 5% annually, calculate the fair market value. So we are given the payment 150,000 annual, and then the number of years is 20. And then the market rate is 5% per year, which is 0.05. And then the number of periods is N is 20. We are asked to determine the FMB today, which is the present value of the annuity. Now, use the formula PB is equal to R times 1 minus, open parenthesis, 1 plus I, close parenthesis, raised to negative n over I. Substitute the value of R, which is 150,000, the value of I, which is 0.05, and the value of n, which is 20. The final answer is 1,869,331 pesos and 55 centavos. Number 12. A farmer invests 1,000 pesos monthly for 10 years at a discount rate of 6% compounded monthly. Find the FMB. So we are given the payment 1,000 monthly. The number of years, T, is 10 years. And then the nominal rate is 8% per year compounded monthly. And then the monthly I is 0.06 over 12, which is 0.005. The number of periods N is 10 times 12, which is equivalent to 120. So, solution to obtain the PB equal to R times 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis negative N over I. Substitute R, which is 1,000, and I 0.005, N, which is 120. The calculated value, the final answer is 90,073 pesos and 45 centavos. Number 13. A parent deposits 25,000 yearly for 12 years in a college fund, discounted at 9% annually. Find the fair market value. So we are given the payment 25,000 annually. The number of years, T, is 12. The discount rate, I, is 9% per year. So 0.09. The number of periods is 12. And then we are asked to determine the FMB today, which is equal to the present value of the annuity. So, use the formula. PB is equals to R times 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus I raised to, close parenthesis, raised to negative N over I. Substitute the value of R, which is 25,000, I, which is 0.09, and N, which is 12. The final answer is 179,018 pesos and 13 centavos. Number 14. A worker pays 3,500 pesos quarterly for 15 years in a retirement plan. If the discount rate is 10% compounded quarterly, compute the FMB. So we are given payment 3,500 pesos quarterly. The number of years is 15. The nominal rate is 10% per year compounded quarterly. So the quarterly I is 0.10 divided by 4, which is 0.025. The number of periods N is equal to 15 times 4, which is equal to 60. So we are required the FMB today, which is actually equal to the present value of the annuity. So, using the formula, PB is equal to R times 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis raised to negative N over I. Our R is 3,500 pesos. I is 0.025. N is 60. So then, the final answer is 108,180 pesos and 30 centavos. Number 15. A company invests 500,000 pesos annually for 20 years in a fund discounted at 6% compounded annually. Find the fair market value. So we are given payment are 500,000 and that's annual. So the number of years T is 20. The discount rate I is 6% per year, which is 0.06. The number of periods N is 20. So required the fair market value today, which is the same as the present value of the annuity. So use the formula. PB is equals to R times 1 minus, open parenthesis, 1 plus I, close in parenthesis, raised to negative N over 0.06. Substitute the value of R, which is 5,000, the value of I, which is 0.06, and the value of N, which is 20. The final answer is 5,734,960 pesos and 61 centavos. Number 16. An employee saves 8,000 monthly for 5 years in a pension fund, earning 7% compounded monthly. What is the FMB? So we are given payment 8,000 monthly, number of years T, that is 5. And the number of periods N is 5 times 12, that is 60 months. Interest rate nominal is 7% compounded monthly. So the monthly I is 0.07 divided by 12, equivalent to 0.00583. We are asked to determine the fair market value today, which is equal to the present value of the annuity. The solution, use the formula PB is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. Substitute the given value of R, which is 8,000, the value of I, which is 0.07 over 12, the value of N, which is 60. The final answer is 404,015 pesos and 95 centavos. Number 18. A woman invests 30,000 pesos annually for 25 years. If the market rate is 5% compounded annually, find the fair market value. So we are given payment 30,000. The number of years is 25, and then N is 25. I is 5% per year, 0.05. We will have the next part of this lesson.